According to the movement of planets, today is going to be an important day for all zodiac signs. Some zodiac signs will get the support of luck, while some will get the opportunity to fight difficulties. Let's know what special today has brought for you. Aries, today your confidence and energy will be at the highest level. You may get new responsibilities in the workplace, which will increase your stature. The financial situation will be strong, but it is necessary to avoid unnecessary expenditure. Health will be good, but avoid working till late night. There is a possibility of getting some good news in the family. The day will be fruitful for the students. Taurus, the start of the day will be slow. But afternoon the conditions will be favorable. Take a careful decision in money-related matters. The day can be especially beneficial for those working in partnership. Spending time with family will deepen your relationships. Be careful while traveling, there is a possibility of getting injured. Gemini, meeting new people will be beneficial and your networking circle will increase. You may get new opportunities for career advancement. Financially, today will be in your favor. However, be cautious about health, especially avoid cold and flu. Be wise and patient in family matters. Cancer, today can be a bit challenging. There may be obstacles at work, but patience and positive thinking will lead you to success. In family life, someone's advice will prove useful for you. Avoid taking risks in financial matters. Students need to focus on their goals. Leo, today your social relations will improve. This is the right time to complete old plans. The day is beneficial for businessmen. Love relationships will become sweeter. There is a possibility of a short trip with family. Before taking any big decision, definitely take the advice of experienced people. Virgo, today you will focus on spending time with your family and friends. There may be a plan for an event at home. There is a possibility of promotion or salary hike for employed people. The day will be good in terms of health, but do not ignore old diseases. Libra, today is the day to maintain balance. Your hard work and honesty will be appreciated in the workplace. The day is favorable for new investment in business. The advice of a family member will be beneficial for you. Take special care of documents during travel. Scorpio, today you will be full of new energy and enthusiasm. Your talent will be recognized in the workplace. People thinking of changing jobs may get good opportunities. There will be benefits in financial matters. Meeting a dear friend will refresh your old memories. Sagittarius, today will give mixed results. There will be inflow of money, but expenses may also increase. Control your emotions and try to understand others' words deeply. Do not ignore health problems. New opportunities can be found in education and career. Capricorn, today will be in your favor. You will get the right result of your hard work in the workplace. There is a possibility of an auspicious event at home. You will get happiness from the children's side. The day is financially beneficial, but think before investing. Aquarius, today is the time for a new beginning in your life. This is the right time to implement new plans in job and business. There may be minor disputes in the family, but solutions are possible through conversation. The day is favorable in terms of health, but take care of your diet. Pisces, today your creativity and imagination will be at its peak. You will get success in some important work. Positivity will come in love relationships. Financially, the day will be in your favor. There are chances of travel, which will prove beneficial for you. Disclaimer: this information has been compiled from sources available on the internet. The channel does not claim the complete veracity of this information. If you found this horoscope useful, like it, share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your love and support.